So, Likitha, here goes my very first question to you. How do traditional flavors evoke emotions and memories beyond just taste?
Food, especially the dessert, it has the ability to unlock our emotions. If someone tries to buy this Brasa's bites, they are not just uh, taking like a flavors, ghee and almonds and sugar. They will connect to their emotions. These flavors are directly, deeply connected to our brain. When we are going to our grandma's kitchen,
Yeah.
there we'll have that aroma of cardamom and roasted ghee flavors will be there.
Yes.
That look like yummy. When
Yeah.
we'll go to our
Yes.
our childhood, their homes, they're having they were special dishes and desserts they will do.
Yes.
That aroma, that content, we want to take it back here now. Even in the packaged form, we're giving like the feel is real. Even in the packaged form, we are giving when they are unboxing the box, they are not feel only like this. With the simple and the sweet, they're having multiple flavors
True.
in that, multiple colors, which they want to taste it yummy. Yes.
Amazing. And since morning I've had three restaurants and they are almost saying the similar thing. And I've eaten your food, I've eaten your sweets, and they are yum. It reminds me of home actually.
Yeah, science tells us that also. When you will taste it or smell it, it is very closely linked to our hearts. When
It is.
we'll taste the sweet, actually, especially it will go for the sweet lovers. Oh my god, we are tasting something new.
Like me.
Yeah.
I'm going to save your sweet right now, the one
Yeah,
which you
you can
gave.
have it now.
I have a very bad throat, but I will eat after the shoot.
Yes,
Because
you
there
can
will
have
not be anybody, so I can cough after going home. The next question here. Rasa's blends tradition with modern gifting, which I've seen. And how do you ensure authenticity while appealing to today's lifestyle?
Ensuring authenticity to into this modern lifestyle without like respecting our tradition, making them to with a modern lifestyle. We will pack that with focus on the modern lifestyle, how it suits people live in today.
Okay.
That we will take care about the same ingredients and proportions and techniques, all are the same. But we'll take these modern lifestyle, the people need that for different culture, they want to wrap it in a different craft.
Yeah.
Like that we are giving. Today customers, they need like a trust.
Yeah.
They need that trust. They want easy to consume the product. They
Yes.
don't want to waste the time in the queue or something. They want to immediately. They want to consume it with the good quality. We are giving like that. And Rasas is very famous with the customers in the UAE because the model packing, crafting, and we are using the hygienic production also, hygienic production and quality, and this portion control. We'll use all. We'll take great care about that also.
Awesome. And we have seen that.
Yes.
People have gone mad last time when they ate your food and they were like, who's that girl? And I was like, Rasas.
Oh.
And the name is so unique that you
Yes.
have kept. What is the meaning of Rasas though?
Rasas is like in Sanskrit we're having word. Rasa means taste.
Taste. Ah.
Yes, rasa means taste. The meaning is taste.
Okay.
We took from Sanskrit. That's why
Awesome.
we kept like rasas. Every bite tells his story.
Love it. Every bite tells
yes,
a story.
every bite tells their story.
Superb. So, again, coming back to your tagline, every bite tells a story. What story do you hope customers feel when they open a Rasa's box?
When the customers open the box, everyone, they will have mixed feelings. Like they were very happy. Each story will be different. For each box. When connecting to this, one end of the emotion is like when in the Indian flavor, Indian homes, they are having some flavors. It similar to that. They will remind that festivals or any occasions. They will go back to that. Another is nostalgia. Like they will feel when they are having the childhood, the celebrations, or the who loved ones who will bring all the sweets to home every
Yes.
time. They will remind that also.
Yes.
This is the joy of gifting actually. When giving Rasa's Bites boxes, we are not giving only the health, these boxes and all. We are giving tasty and healthy treats for the people.
Amazing.
And these represents, every bite tells a story, represents like emotions
Yes.
and happiness and relationships also.
Yeah. Too good, bro. Every bite tells a story, and
Every
I
bite
love
tells a
the
story.
tagline that you have kept for your brand. So, how do you thoughtfully curate food gifts, strengthen connections, and moments of togetherness?
These curated boxes, like thoughtfully, we have to craft because we want to go to the people very fast and easy to consume also. when someone is opening the box, they have the multiple flavors in that.
Right.
In that, it initiates the sharing. It will pass the people around. They will have to share and compare the favorites also. They will compare it and want to spend time together with that.
Yeah.
And these small treats, it will give close interactions also. We want to indulge. Each has its flavor as its own little surprise in that.
Okay.
Especially when we'll go to the flavors with that dry fruits mix and all, where people love to have it. Usually it will be healthy also. Nowadays people want to take healthy foods, especially they are taking great care in that.
Yeah.
In those shared moments where like a day-to-day get-togethers or any occasions, if we'll go do that, connections even deeply, naturally it will bond. If we'll continue like this with bites, we are gifting to someone. If we want to go for any occasion or special occasions, even in Diwali also we'll give some gift to. It's like a Indian fortune.
Yeah.
Not only Indian fortune, it's a fortune to give the good sign to everyone. As a sweets will give for the good occasion or a good fortune, we can say. Like that, we're packing the box with the according to the requirement. Some people, they are like want to keep specially or exclusively. They want to bear it. They want to keep that much. When we will go for the customers, with the customer, they need like a customized one. For the birthday gift, it will be different, or any other occasion, it will be different. We want to craft it according to the requirement. Because nowadays styling and this packing is very important. If you will go for this box, little box, oh, it was looking like a me, people will think like that. Even me as a birthday girl, if I'll even receive some birthday gifts or something, they were really particular. The taste, and we have to be cautious while going to the taste. We have to be very particular with the taste and people requirements also. According to that, we'll do.
Right. And that is something incredible about your giftings. I've seen that the way you have made the entire thing is something people are really appreciating, and so do I. So thank you so much, Likitha, for being here on the show. You were incredible. And I'm looking forward to meeting you soon, again on this couch.
Sure. Thank you for this opportunity, Ayesha. I feel like very comfortable.
You were fantastic.
Thank you so much.
So 2026, you have started with us, and we are hoping to see you in season 4 again.